In a quaint village nestled amidst rolling hills and lush greenery, there lived a young boy named Tom. Tom was known throughout the village for his cheerful demeanor and unwavering optimism. Despite facing numerous challenges in his life, Tom always found a way to persevere and maintain a positive outlook. One day, as Tom was walking through the village, he stumbled upon an old, dilapidated house at the outskirts. Intrigued, he decided to explore further. Inside the house, he discovered a dusty old book tucked away in a corner. The book was filled with stories of great adventurers and their daring escapades. As Tom flipped through the pages, he felt a surge of inspiration coursing through him. From that moment on, Tom made a vow to himself to embark on his own adventure and make something of his life. He began by helping out his neighbors and volunteering at the village school. His acts of kindness soon caught the attention of the villagers, who began to admire and respect him even more. But Tom's journey was not without its challenges. Along the way, he encountered obstacles and setbacks that threatened to derail his progress. Yet, with unwavering determination and a belief in himself, Tom persevered through the toughest of times. As time passed, Tom's efforts bore fruit. The village flourished, and its people lived happier and more fulfilling lives. Tom had become a symbol of hope and inspiration for everyone around him. In the end, Tom realized that the true meaning of life lay not in wealth or fame, but in the impact one could have on others. He had learned that with perseverance, kindness, and a positive attitude, anything was possible. And so, dear viewers, let Tom's story be a reminder to all of us that no matter how daunting the journey may seem, we must never lose sight of our dreams. For it is through adversity that we find our strength, and it is through compassion that we find our purpose. So go forth, my friends, and let your light shine bright, for the world is waiting for your greatness to unfold.